Well, good morning viewers. I was just out here looking at my bike and making some plans about what I need to do, and yeah, just going over it and thinking about the future and what I've got planned for it. Now, the Mini Ape handlebars that I've put on, I'm super happy with those. They're spot on. They're really, really good. The screen I'm happy with. The seat I'm not so happy with. So you can see I've got a pad on there just to make it a bit more comfortable, but I need some back support, and can either do that with a step-up seat or a seat with a backrest. But I think I'm probably going to try a Saddleman step-up seat. I think that might be the way to go from what I've been hearing from you guys, and just looks and things, I think it would really suit the bike. And then if I get a Saddleman step-up seat, I then will want a sissy bar, I reckon, because I want to be able to put a backpack on the back of the bike and just strap it to a sissy bar. I think that would be super handy. And so a sissy bar, I've looked at what's available, and the OEM sissy bar from Indian's too short, I reckon. And Dean Speed have a range of sissy bars, but I don't like the angle they're at. I reckon they angle back too far. They're sort of too far swept. And for me, I like a sissy bar that is basically in line from the axle to this bolt here and up through is the angle I'd like it at. So see if I can do this. Yeah, so from here going up through, I reckon, would be the ideal angle for a sissy bar, and probably about this high. I think we're pretty well there then. So handlebars I'm happy with. Screen is going to be fine for now. And I think down the track I will get a bigger screen as well, so for longer rides, for that bit of extra wind protection. The mid-mount controls, I'm happy with the placement of those for now. Forward controls would be more comfortable, but it's not urgent. So that would be, I may do that last, or I'll see how I go. Once I get the Saddleman seat, obviously I'm going to have to save up and sell some stuff again to get that money together. Once I've got enough money, I'll buy a Saddleman, pop that on, and I'll do the sissy bar. And the other thing I would like to do, probably before I do even think about forward controls, would be new slip-ons. And I like the Reinhardts. I think that's probably my pick. Just the size of them, the diameter of the pipe, as well as the way they sound, I think are pretty cool. So that's something else I'm going to need to sell some stuff and save up for. Okay, that was just a little update as to what I've got planned for my Indian Chief. My goal is to turn this bike into the best bike I've ever owned. Let's see if I can achieve that goal. Have a great day, guys, and until next time, bye for now.